Welcome back, my Italian venture continue. As you can see, I started taking some measurements of the kitchen top, which we plan to change it. The one we had there is very old and a lot of signs of wear and definitely needs to be changed. And in the same time we took the measurements for the fridge, cooker, oven, a washing machine place. With this, what we have in the flat, we have to change them. They are a very bad shape, needs to be changed. While we were doing this, I took some short videos to be able to send to my wife via WhatsApp. The next clip is one of the videos I sent to my wife.
I'll start taking the dimensions for everything here and we try to see what can we do. If I can take these ones off and then fix to be able to paint, we will try to scrub the wall like in this area where we see those ones to fix everything when it's cracked, like that one. Take everything down, fix it, and a new coat of paint. That will be the next step. Everywhere we can fix the wall, scrub everything, and then ready for the new coat of paint. That will be the first. In the bathroom, they fixed. We need to take off everything and paint it, like in here again. And that's the next. And we go to the shop. That's for the electric. And I will let you know with the new update. Yeah.
Once I took the measurements, we started creating a list with everything what we needed, tools, materials, to be able to start the work. And before going to the shop, it was the lunchtime, and we ate the food what my mom prepared for us. My favorite cabbage rolls, and this is another clip filmed in that time.
Homemade, my mom. I suppose. Me too. Me too. Până ce să faci tu?
We were lucky. The easiest way to bring the stuff in the house was through the kitchen window. It was very fast and easy. After we brought everything in, my brother started moving the furniture in the middle of the room and start the work. At the beginning, I didn't know what to do, what to start with. My brother, being a builder, he had no problem. He knew exactly where to begin. I did try to help him, and walking around trying to find many things, I find the treasure in the furniture in the living room, a hidden guest bed, as you will see in the next clip.
Hidden bed. Look at this one here.
That was another video made for my wife. I was so happy to find those guest beds in the in the furniture. This will save us some money. We did plan to buy a sofa, a couch, but this one will save you quite a bit, because we plan to bring family members over while we were staying in the flat, do the holidays together. While my brother was preparing the walls, my job was to use the prime and cover those areas which my brother prepared for repairs. And at that time I realized it's not going fast as I expected. In a month time, my parents-in-law have to move in, and I was panicking a little bit because I don't think we'll be able to finish in time. I had already 2 weeks, 2 weekends, the flight booked from UK, and in the next 3 weeks after that, I couldn't find any cheap flights, and then we tried to finish as much as possible. As you all know, this lovely special operation in Ukraine of a crazy guy made my parents-in-law to flee Ukraine, and of course now they have no house, nowhere to go, and we managed to buy this flat, and then they will move in, and hopefully that will be a very nice house for them. Next I have more time lapse and short videos what I took again for my lovely wife, and yeah, enjoy watching. See you in the next video.
Mm-hmm.